Good morning, people. Pawpaw Sammy and Alley Bug. It's a beautiful day in South Louisiana. My blueberry bushes are really starting to come around. And I noticed that my bees are having a field day with them. It's kind of hard to see them because they're buzzing everywhere. But what I'm going to do this morning is I'm going to show you how I bring them back. These particular bushes, this one and those right there, all of these, came from a friend of mine in Arkansas. I don't know what type blueberry, but they make huge blueberries. Now, this time of the year, just right here is a bucket of worm poop. Now, I get my rabbit manure from Starkey's Farmstead. They furnish rabbit manure, which is the best thing in the world. It don't heat up and it's loaded with nitrogen. Way better than most any other. So what I do is I take a big handful of this and I make sure I get it around the bottoms. That's all you gotta do. That serves two purposes, believe it or not. And also a handful down in there, my deep waterers. That soaks into the ground. Now this worm poop is loaded with worm eggs and little worms that's hatched out since I harvested. In fact, they're so small they're hard to see, but there's one right there. They're hard to see. Now, I have a bad habit. If I got something to plant and I have a space in my yard that's vacant, I'll plant it. And what I'm trying to tell you is this. I have 3 blueberry bushes here. Now, walking across the yard to the other parts, okay, we come upon my other blueberries. They all up in here. There's 3 bushes there and 1 bush there. Now these blueberries are different kinds. I do not remember. The way I found them is I called LSU and asked, and they told me the best varieties for this part of Louisiana. I got some that bears early, some bears kind of mid-season, and some that bears late. But the important thing is, now's the time to kind of talk to them. And notice, when you see all the compost around them, when that compost gets around them, oh, I missed it. When that compost gets around them, it keeps them moist, basically year round. Now, blueberries like damp. They do not like to have their feet standing in water. If it does, it slows down the growth. Now, this is my last year's garden. See the compost? I got a few weeds growing up in it. But when I plant, all them weeds come out, cardboard goes down, compost back on top of it. And you take it from there. Now, that right there, I start these blueberries off big time. And my honeybees are having a field day with these blueberries. Look, like and subscribe. And remember, if you're around St. Helena Parish, Starkey's Farmstead, they have worm droppings, worm poop. They have rabbit manure. They have chickens, eggs, rabbits, quails, you name it. An independent place. Thank you. Have a good day.